How to build your dream barbecue island. Welcome to the ultimate guide to building your dream barbecue island. If you're a grill enthusiast who dreams of creating a sizzling outdoor cooking haven, you're in the right place. Whether it's hosting summer cookouts or simply enjoying a tasty meal with loved ones, a barbecue island can transform your outdoor space into a culinary paradise. We'll walk you through the steps of designing and constructing your very own barbecue island. From choosing the right materials to creating the perfect layout, we'll help you unleash your inner grill master and elevate your outdoor cooking experience. With our expert tips and advice, you'll learn how to maximize functionality, optimize space, and enhance the flavor of your barbecued creations. We'll also explore the latest trends and must-have features, so you can stay ahead of the curve. Get ready to ignite your passion for grilling and take your outdoor entertaining to new heights. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to building the barbecue island of your dreams. Benefits of having a barbecue island. Having a barbecue island in your outdoor space offers numerous benefits that go beyond simply having a place to grill. Let's take a closer look at some of the advantages. 1. Enhanced cooking experience. A barbecue island provides a dedicated space for outdoor cooking, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the grilling process. With convenient access to all your tools and ingredients, you can focus on perfecting your recipes and creating flavorful dishes. 2. Entertaining made easy. With a barbecue island, hosting outdoor gatherings becomes a breeze. You'll have plenty of countertop space for food preparation, making it easier to serve large groups of guests. Plus, with built-in features like sinks and refrigerators, you can keep everything you need within arm's reach. 3. Increased property value. A well-designed barbecue island can significantly enhance the value of your property. Outdoor living spaces are highly sought after and can attract potential buyers if you ever decide to sell your home. It's an investment that not only brings you joy but also adds to the overall appeal of your property. 4. Customization and personalization. Building your own barbecue island allows you to tailor it to your specific needs and preferences. From choosing the layout and materials to adding unique features, you have the freedom to create a one-of-a-kind outdoor cooking space that reflects your style and personality. 5. Year-round enjoyment. With the right design and features, a barbecue island can be used year-round, regardless of the weather. Whether it's a sunny summer day or a chilly winter evening, you can fire up the grill and enjoy outdoor cooking at any time. In the next section, we'll guide you through the planning process to ensure you create a barbecue island that perfectly suits your needs. Planning your barbecue island. Before diving into the construction of your barbecue island, it's crucial to spend time on careful planning. This will help you avoid costly mistakes and ensure that your final result meets your expectations. Here are some key factors to consider during the planning stage. 1. Size and layout. Start by determining the size and layout of your barbecue island. Consider the available space in your outdoor area and how you envision using the island. Do you want it to be a standalone feature or integrated into an existing outdoor kitchen setup? Sketch out the dimensions and layout to get a clear visual representation. 2. Functionality. Think about how you plan to use your barbecue island. Will you be hosting large gatherings or mainly cooking for your immediate family? This will influence the size of the cooking area, the number of burners or grills, and the amount of countertop space you'll need. It's also important to consider additional features like sinks, refrigerators, and storage cabinets. 3. Traffic flow. Consider the flow of movement around your barbecue island. Ensure there's enough space for people to move comfortably between the cooking area, seating, and other outdoor features. A well-designed layout will allow for easy interaction between the cook and guests, creating a more enjoyable experience for everyone. 4. Aesthetics. Take into account the overall aesthetic of your outdoor space when planning your barbecue island. Consider the architectural style of your home, existing landscaping, and any other outdoor structures. You want your barbecue island to seamlessly blend in with its surroundings and contribute to the overall visual appeal of your outdoor area. Once you have a clear plan in place, you can move on to choosing the right location for your barbecue island. Let's explore this in the next section. Choosing the right location for your barbecue island. The location of your barbecue island plays a crucial role in its functionality and overall enjoyment. Here are some factors to consider when selecting the perfect spot for your outdoor cooking haven. 1. Proximity to the house. It's important to choose a location that is easily accessible from your indoor kitchen. This will make it more convenient to transport food, utensils, and other supplies between the two areas. Consider the distance and ease of movement when deciding on the placement of your barbecue island. 2. Wind and sun exposure. Evaluate the wind patterns and sun exposure in your outdoor space. You want to position your barbecue island in an area that is shielded from strong gusts of wind, as this can affect the temperature and cooking time of your food. Additionally, consider the direction of the sun to ensure you have adequate shade or sun exposure, depending on your preference. 3. Safety considerations. Ensure that your chosen location adheres to safety guidelines. Keep your barbecue island away from any flammable materials, such as overhanging branches or nearby structures. It's also important to maintain a safe distance from your home's exterior walls to prevent any potential fire hazards. 4. Views and aesthetics. Take advantage of any scenic views or natural features in your outdoor space. Position your barbecue island in a way that allows you to enjoy the surroundings while cooking and entertaining. Additionally, consider how the placement of the island will contribute to the overall visual appeal of your outdoor area. Once you've determined the ideal location for your barbecue island, it's time to move on to the design considerations. Let's explore how to create a functional and visually appealing outdoor cooking space in the next section. Design considerations for your barbecue island. The design of your barbecue island plays a significant role in its functionality and overall aesthetic. Here are some key design considerations to keep in mind when creating your outdoor cooking haven. 1. Layout and work triangle. The layout of your barbecue island should prioritize efficiency and convenience. Consider the work triangle principle, which involves positioning the cooking area, sink, and refrigerator in a triangular formation. This allows for easy movement and minimal steps between the three key components. 2. Countertop space. Ample countertop space is essential for food preparation, plating, and serving. Ensure you have enough room to comfortably work while keeping all your ingredients and utensils within reach. Consider using materials like granite or quartz for durability and easy maintenance. 3. Seating and dining area. If you enjoy entertaining guests while cooking, incorporate a seating and dining area into your barbecue island design. Whether it's a bar counter with stools or a spacious dining table, having a designated space for guests to gather and enjoy their meals will enhance the overall experience. 4. Storage and organization. Make sure to include sufficient storage space in your barbecue island design. Cabinets and drawers can be used to store grilling tools, utensils, and other essentials. This will help keep your outdoor cooking area tidy and organized, allowing for easy access to everything you need. 5. Lighting. Don't overlook the importance of proper lighting in your barbecue island design. Incorporate both task lighting, such as overhead lights or under-counter lighting, for the cooking area, and ambient lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. This will allow you to enjoy your outdoor cooking space even after the sun sets. By carefully considering these design aspects, you can create a barbecue island that is not only visually appealing but also highly functional. In the next section, we'll help you choose the right materials to bring your design to life.